Thank you.
Because of Nena Venetianu that we played together for a big concert for them. So I have to say some cordial words because after all these substantial speeches I have to be very brief. It is always a great honor for me to be here sharing values, solidarity and faith to a precious purpose that make me feel less lonely in this dark world. The attack of the Iraqi government on the campus Raf on July the 28th and 29th of 2009 and the suffering of brave Iranian women and men remind us the responsibility of the international community for the silence and the appeasement policy that guided to the tragic results of this summer. In Iran, people resist, women lead. As women, as personality with human values, we have no other choice than to support and to express our solidarity to this endless struggle for progress, democracy and justice. And we have to ask from the international community to stop pretending that they don't know, to stop pretending that they have no responsibility for the unfair and the cruel reality in Iran. Let's unite our strength in order to support the Iranian women for freedom, equality and democratic change, because this change is the only hope for a better and a more valuable life. Last 8 years, Mrs. Rajavi and her third option became an endless source of inspiration and hope in my life. As a woman and as a percussionist, I dedicate my cultural action to her, and I am sure that soon it will become the day that we will celebrate the International Women's Day in the main square of Tehran, playing music with the female orchestra of Ashraf, replacing death and darkness with light and vision. Thank you very much.